In this video, I'm going to teach you the 6 most important steps you can take now to optimize your products and rank first on Amazon. I'm Manuela with Plitix, and we're here to help small and medium-sized businesses sell better so you can compete with e-commerce giants. Did you know that for a majority of shoppers, their buyer's journey begins on Amazon? A total of 74% of US consumers begin their product searches on Amazon because it offers them convenience, low prices, free delivery, and a pretty high chance of finding whatever it is that they're looking for. I can tell you from my own experience as a shopper that it doesn't matter if I'm in store or on a different website, I always check to see if the product I'm looking at is on Amazon.
Yeah, I do too, actually.
See? He does it too. I'm not the only one, guys. Honestly, I can't tell you the number of times that I've been caught just standing in an aisle, looking at my phone, and no, I wasn't looking at Instagram. I was looking at Amazon for reviews and comparing the product. You see, Amazon has over 9.7 million sellers worldwide, with almost 2 million of them actively selling on the marketplace. That's a lot of competition. Being on Amazon is only half the battle. The other half is making sure that you rank on the first page of Amazon so your customers can find you, because only 30% of customers even visit the second page. So how do you ensure that the customers that find you buy your products over your competitors' products? By using SEO, or search engine optimization tactics, and optimizing your product listings. The SEO tactics I'm gonna show you in this video will help your business in a number of ways. It'll help put your content in front of the right audience. It'll help you engage your audience and keep their attention, and it'll improve your product's performance. When you focus on SEO, you'll bring in more qualified leads, which have a higher rate of converting into paying customers. So without further ado, these are the 6 elements you should focus on to win at product listing optimization. Number 1, target keywords. Keywords are the words or phrases that people use to search for a particular thing. For example, somebody looking for a place to have dinner might search for restaurants in and the name of the city or the neighborhood that they're in. Keywords can be broad, like bath towel, or more specific, like white 600 GSM Egyptian cotton towel. Amazon focuses on optimizing listings so that shoppers can find your products and potentially purchase them. So make sure that you research relevant keywords for your product. You can use keyword research tools like Sonar, which is specific to Amazon, to find the right and relevant keywords. Then you can add them to your title and your product description. You can also incorporate back-end keywords, which are hidden keywords. Shoppers can't see these keywords, but it tells the Amazon algorithm that the keywords relate to your product. And it helps index your product so it appears in searches. If you want more information on how back-end keywords work or how to set it up, let me know in the comments. Number 2, optimize product title. Along with the thumbnail, which we'll touch on in the next section, your product title is the first part of your listing that a buyer will see when searching for a product on Amazon. Before they even get to that stellar description or that carefully curated gallery, they'll need to make the conscious decision to click on your product title. To make sure this happens, follow the guidelines and requirements set by Amazon, which I'll link below, so that your listing isn't blocked in searches. And make sure your product title is detailed enough so that it gives your customer the information they need about your product. The level of detail can also increase your chances of making it on the first page and hopefully Amazon's buy box. This is where shoppers can click to add items to their cart. Because the same product is often sold by many sellers, only the highest ranking seller is the one that makes it to the buy box. 84% of Amazon sales go through the buy box, and that's even higher on mobile devices. So the seller that's made it to the buy box will undoubtedly make more sales for that product than any other seller. To get there, your product needs to stay relevant and continuously rank high on searches. Number 3, include quality imagery. People shop with their eyes, and in a market like Amazon, images tell a story. The right imagery can help you catch consumers' attention, increase conversions, and even promote positive reviews on Amazon. But you can't upload just any picture on Amazon. There are some specific requirements and best practices that you must follow. Your main image must show only the product on a white background. For optimal results, images should be at least 1600 by 1600 pixels. Include additional images that show your products in real-life settings. Include images with size specifications. Make sure there's nothing distracting that takes away from the product image. Include alt text to images to improve the ranking potential. And include an SEO-friendly title that explains to search engines what the image is. Here, you can even include additional keywords to help push your rankings. Number 4, optimize your product descriptions and features based on your audience and location. Product descriptions give customers valuable information about your product and help them understand why it's worth purchasing. Optimizing those product descriptions and features will help search engines understand your product, and in turn will help internet searchers find your product on Amazon. Amazon also has specific guidelines that you need to follow for their internal search algorithm. Be creative. Don't just copy and paste your manufacturer's description because you want to stand out from other products similar to yours and rank high. When writing product descriptions, titles, and features, stay away from promotional language. The purpose of this is to inform your clients so that they can decide if they're making the right choice buying your product. Be mindful of your grammar and punctuation depending on your region, because this can affect your ranking. List valuable information in the feature selection of what your product can do, how it works, warranties, and guarantees. Something very important, when optimizing your product descriptions, be mindful of keyword stuffing. That is, you want to add keywords so that your customers can find your products, but you don't want to overload it so that Amazon scans it and views it as spam. Number 5, think about pricing. Selling on Amazon is competitive, and having the best pricing is what will have customers adding your products to their carts. 64% of customers said that they shop on Amazon because of pricing, and Amazon knows this. So try to find that sweet selling spot that benefits your bottom line and also increases your sales. Update your pricing and currency for local and international products because you don't want to lose out on a sale simply because your customers saw the wrong pricing. Number 6, prioritize good reviews. Good product reviews are very important for ranking and for making it into the buy box. Reviews influence buying decisions and can help you rank better. Some ways to get good reviews: use an email marketing campaign to encourage buyers to write a review after purchase. Include a note in the packaging asking for a review. Request reviews through a newsletter. If you have a new product, join the Amazon Early Reviewer program. Or if you have less than 30 reviews, you can take advantage of Amazon Vine. Are there any tips and tricks that you've seen helped you sell on Amazon? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.